All right, this story is called Old Nails. It is a fictional story, but it does have some things you can learn, and there's some true facts in this story. So, first you're going to circle 5 words with the Latin roots you worked on. So as a reminder, those are spec, liter or litter, vent, and struct or struck. So look for 5 words that have those roots in them. All right. Circle those words. There's a couple of comprehension questions. Notice you do have to underline details. Like I said in the last story like this, it's really helping you to prove your answer, which you should be doing for any of them. So say for number 2, why is Luke unhappy about his summer vacation at the beginning of the story? You don't have to underline details for that, but you should still go back and look and say, okay, am I sure that my answer is right? Is there evidence in the text that supports that answer, whether it asks you to or not? For number 3, you do have to underline. Also, notice it says, what does Luke think about his summer vacation at the end of the story, and what changed his opinion? So answer both parts. The last 2 is thinking about inventions. First, the nail, which this story is talking about. Why was the nail an important invention? So why is it important that the Romans began shaping metal and we didn't just have to interlock things to get them to stay together? Why was the nail so important? And then what do you think is the most important invention? And there is definitely not one correct answer to this question. And if thinking of the most important one is just super overwhelming because there are so many important inventions, pick one and tell me why. Okay, make sure you do tell me why you think that invention is so important or the most important one. Also notice there's a lot of questions, so it's going to be really easy to accidentally go off the page. So make sure if you need to, you delete the lines, however you need to work it so that all of your answers do fit on the page, because if it goes below this bottom line, I cannot see it. Oh, sorry, I thought I was going to sneeze. There we go, I did sneeze. All right, good luck. Let me know if you need any help. I am more than happy to help support you on this. Good luck.